Hey everybody, this is Bill and welcome to the channel. We're usually talking stocks, but today we are examining real estate investing with the emphasis on property management. We have been managing our own portfolio of rental properties for over 25 years and hope that some of these videos on this topic can help fellow residential real estate investors along with those aspiring to begin their journey as a real estate investor. So a problem arose when, for insurance renewal purposes, which is becoming extremely restrictive and a topic for a lengthy video on another occasion, during a required 4-point inspection, we were alerted that although functioning properly, the power pole which brings the electrical service from the street to our building had an issue. Somehow or another, we're not quite sure, the power pole was bent, which in turn caused some leakage around the positioning, which caused some wood rot, as you can see in the photo. The insurance inspector suggested a large limb likely caused the damage, but had a limb fallen on the building, we would have been the ones who cleaned up the debris, and we didn't have that opportunity. Now, this is not a scope of work you just roll over to the Home Depot and collect some items and repair. This job will require participation of the local power authority and a licensed electrical company to complete this job. In addition, this work will require permitting from the city. So today we're going to have the power company come out and replace this pole and get this thing straightened up like it should be. So we're going to have Orlando Utilities out here to cut the power. The power company will come and straighten up this pole, and then we'll have the power company come back out and get the power set back up. And of course we're going to have to do some woodwork around here as well when they're complete. But getting a whole new system over here today, so this should be interesting. To complete the job, we scheduled a day where we could coordinate all the vendors to work together. The job kicks off with the city power company cutting the electrical service from the street to our building so that the electric company can work safely fixing the problem. We had previously alerted our residents of the power interruption, and the city arrived promptly at 8 a.m. to cut service. Shortly thereafter, the electrical company we hired, one of Orlando's oldest and finest companies, arrived with a team to begin their delicate work. This was not a quick operation, but one which required care and attention to detail. But in the mid-afternoon, we were all finished. You can see we had an entirely new power box installed and a new power pole. Okay, folks, as you can see here, we got a new pole, and this is all done up real nice. Got a whole new meter box and everything going on here. Really good. Excellent job. We're all completed. Now we're going to be waiting on the utility company to come by and get power restored over here. So we'll be good to go. So there you have it. At the end of the business day, as scheduled, the city returned and safely hooked back up the power. It was all completed just as some of our residents were arriving home after a hard day's work. We were very grateful to everyone who cooperated with us in getting this problem solved. So count on some power issues, most unforeseen, as items which will require repair as part of owning and or managing a property. Well, folks, if you enjoyed our presentation, please consider liking our video. You can also follow us on Facebook at Pelican Properties or visit us at pelican-properties.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Probably have a good stock for you to take a look at.